not happy with myself. I try to blame it on someone else, but you push me aside. I have no time left to lie. There are problems I don't know. I try to stop and just let go. Then you let go of me. I try to walk before I crawl. I'm not thinking anymore. It's what patience is for. I'm not trying for myself, but I'm impressing no one else. At least you found me alive. I have no time